Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will tell you how to download ECA report. Please like and subscribe my channel. And actually, you have to go on the status complete site, and there is showing you that it's complete, and you have to click on action. There is a two thing: view status detail and view application. When it's fully completed, the third one is complete ECA result PDF. So currently it's not showing, so don't worry about that, and click on view status detail. Oh, my internet is a little bit slow. I can check in with that. Again I click. My internet is gone. I will pause the video, I think. Here you can see the window open, and it's showing complete here, and on the number 6 final review, that's mean it's fluctuating. And you can click on download, right click, then copy the link address. Okay, then open the notepad, paste here, and then application form, then add here from portal, then select all, see, and copy, then go to the new tab here and paste, Control V, and see it's downloading. And even you can write here also, just you can here right here, so you can directly write here, which I can show you that it's very easy if you open in the note tab. And here you can see there is the report. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.